Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into a chilling question. Why do only 2% of all animal species cause 99% of human deaths? Let's meet the top 3 deadliest animals on Earth. First up, the box jellyfish. This see-through hunter floats in northern Australia, packing venom. Its tentacles inject a toxin so strong it can stop your heart. Next, the saltwater crocodile. This giant reptile is the king of surprise attacks. It can hide underwater for hours, then bam, it strikes with incredible speed and power. Last but not least, the mosquito. This tiny insect kills more people than any other animal. Malaria, dengue, Zika, the list of diseases it spreads is terrifying. Mosquitoes cause over 700,000 deaths every year. Even though these creatures are dangerous, they're also important parts of their ecosystems. So when you're out exploring, be respectful of wildlife and stay safe. Keep your eyes peeled and your guard up. Nature's deadliest are always out there.